Okay, guys, hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. Today's topic is concerning what particular models or what particular job fields will be AI proof, meaning what particular jobs that we as individuals can take part in to ensure that our jobs are not replaced by AI. And what we see today is we're seeing a lot of jobs that are being replaced by AI. And what that means is if you already have knowledge or some kind of experience within AI, such as dealing with large language models of the such, and you're familiar with handling all the intricacies of dealing with artificial intelligence, and you are specialized in a specified area of artificial intelligence, it's a good chance that your job will be replaced by another field of AI, which will take over the particular field that you are currently specialized in. So what we're going to do today is we are going to discuss a method that will ensure that you are ready for the future when it comes to dealing with artificial intelligence, which is scaring a lot of people and having a lot of people to believe that their job is going to disappear in the future with regards to artificial intelligence. Okay, guys, let's get into it. Okay, so that particular area that I'm going to talk about is the field of construction, the area of construction. And the area of construction deals with the underlying area of that deals with welding, construction of facilities, and also electricity. Okay, so if you have a specialized field in welding or the field of construction, buildings, or anything dealing with electricity, then this is a good chance for you to listen to me and maybe take some notes, because you may be in luck. So today, I'm going to tell you guys that who are in the field of construction that you have a skill that is going to be needed in the future, and not to mention that it's already needed now, but it's going to be needed in the future. Oh, I need to mention also as plumbing as well too. So what I'm going to talk about is the need to build out data centers. Yes, guys, if you are specified or specialized in the field of construction, and you are specialized in dealing with welding, electricity, or plumbing, you can use your skills to further your future and to secure a job for you by building out data centers, which are going to be needed for the future. And these particular areas, for sure, 100% sure, they cannot be replaced by artificial intelligence, because the skill needed to actually build and put into place these data centers is very, it's a complicated process. It's a quite labor intensive process. So data centers, they need electricity, they need plumbing, and they require welding during the construction of the build out of these data centers. And there's going to be an expansion of data centers within the next 5 to 10 years. So it is estimated that the total market value needed to build out data centers will increase from the year 2026 to 2030. And so right now we're looking at approximately, in 2026, we're looking at a market value of the build out of data centers to be at around 200 billion plus. And by 2030, we are looking at data centers market value build out to increase to it'll increase out to $600 billion. Yes, guys. So right now we're currently at a build out of data centers currently in North America to be at approximately around 200 billion, but we are looking to see that increase to approximately 600 billion by the year 2030. So there you go, guys. That is proof that there is demand for construction workers who are specialized in these 3 fields. And if you are specialized in any of these 3 fields, you can be pretty sure that your job is AI proof. Okay, guys, thank you for watching the video. And for more information in regards to economics, business, daily life, anything with regards to how to improve our daily lives as individuals, please be sure to subscribe to Harris TV. Okay, guys, be safe and take care.